Well, it's been a few weeks. We're back up here in Findlay. So is this March, mid-March, early part of March. We're going through, packing up all the photo albums, getting them out of the house. I got boxes for Perry getting going. So I'm in the process of getting a lot of things packed up that we want to keep. So that's kind of the mission of today. The garage, maybe we'll get some time today. I'll run out there and show you what the garage looks like. If not, I'll get it next time. I'll back up these dishes today too. These are going to go to my brother so he can give them to one of his daughters. But going through getting things packed up. Lots of photo albums. Man, 4 boxes, 5 boxes. Plus that tub. I think there's some more stuff in here. I need these plastic bins. Some of these photo albums are photo frames are kind of big, and I don't know what to do with them yet. I have no idea what to do with photo albums. I don't want to throw them away. I got to figure out a way to digitize them and get them into the computer. So these are all the buildings we kept. Some of these are going to go to some friends of Mom and Dad's. They knew about the one owns a business that's in one of these buildings, so it's going to give them to her. But yeah, spent the night, came up last night, spent the night here to get a jump start today. I actually did something last night. Started packing up photo albums. Pearl's not here, so we're moving along quickly. Otherwise, she's going to want to stop and look at photo albums because, bless her heart, that girl loves looking at photo albums. I'm catching myself wanting to do it too. So here's some boxes for Perry. Dad's room, like I said, I stripped out all his cars. They've all been auctioned off. Did quite well, Dad. Good job. So we're going through. Gotta go through here and get this stuff taken downstairs. I'm gonna load all this into the truck today and taking it back to putting it in the storage unit. Plans are to go visit Perry in July, and I'm gonna take him his stuff. So try to get it all out. Hopefully the house will be sold by then, and we'll be good. I probably need to do my sheets, wash my sheets. So I stayed in Mom's room tonight. So I'll get that done. And it's a long process, I'll tell you. Especially when you don't live in town. Anyways, I'm gonna put this off and get back to work. Hopefully I'll have another update here before we end for this little episode, but I better get back to work. So hopefully by then all these boxes will start heading out to the truck. Oh yeah, I'd behaved myself last night. I had a steak. Today I went to Bob Evans for breakfast. Just that for lunch. We're going to Wilson's for lunch. I'm not sure if I brought you guys along to go to Wilson's yet or not. We're going to go to Wilson's for lunch, and we'll get a burger and maybe a bowl of chili. So, talk to you. We'll be back a little bit later. We get some more of this done. All right. Well, we've been continuing on. I'm packing up some dishes. So I got them in there. I got the bubble wrap. It was for my brother. I assume he'll give it to one of his daughters. But we're getting almost done for the day. I got more. I got all the photo albums. I got 7, 8 things of photo albums. Got some stuff going here for Perry here, and a couple for me. So I'm getting ready to start loading this into the truck here in a little bit. I wanted to get going about 3 o'clock. And running out of time. So it's been an eventful day here. What we got? Yeah, and stuff start packing soon. So it's been a busy day, getting lots of stuff put away. So I'll finish up these few dishes here, and then they're nothing fancy, but they were Mom's. So I'm sure one of the girls will go want Grandma's dishes. So. Well, So I'm keep playing with the bubble wrap, and no, I have not been popping it. So as tempting as it is, I'm not popping the bubble wrap. That's it. I'm finished for this trip. I'm gonna start loading in. Those are the photo albums. All right, and then over here, that's some Perry stuff. I got this box and that box, and this is Perry stuff too. So I'll start. That's mine for spending the night. So, anyways, I'm gonna start. Probably should put the rear camera on, or the rear mic on. Anyways, I'm gonna start packing up and loading this stuff into the truck. Maybe I'll show you how much it filled up the back of the truck when I get it done. Got a couple of bonus items for the camper here. This toaster is definitely a lot better than the toaster I got in that electric griddle there. I have an electric skillet that I sometimes use, but my dad used this a lot, did a lot of cooking, and I thought that'd be nice for the days when it's really hot out or raining and I don't want to use the Blackstone. I can use this electric skillet. So that's going to the camper. So this shall not go into the auction and live on in the camper, which will make Dad happy as can be. I'm out here in the cold. Got everything, all the boxes and stuff up and filled. Pretty good job packing it in the back of the truck. So get ready to take all this home, and then next day or two I'll get this out to storage for now, and then we'll figure it out from there. So that'll be it for this moment. So the truck's loaded. I'm gonna start working on getting things gathered up and packed up for the I guess I can stop the TV for a moment here. Get this turned off. Yeah, we don't have TV, so I'm using Sling. I pay for Sling, so get to watch TV through that. So I got a Chromecast hook up to Mom and Dad's TV, which I don't know what's going to do about that. I'll have to ask Perry. Probably got another 1 or 2 trips finishing getting. I'm pretty much done on the inside of the house. Then we'll move to the outside, hit the garage, the shed in the back. It's got some tools back there I want. And then that'll pretty much be it. Probably take down some of these calendars. I see Pearl was flipping through the calendar a little bit. But guess that'll be that for now. So I'm gonna hop off and go ahead and end this episode. It's been a lot of work, and we're not quite done yet, but we're getting close. So next video should be the coin auction coming from Bluffton, and then we'll probably come up and go through the house again. Then probably another auction after that, and then probably come up, do some cleaning. Then after that, probably the house going on the market, and we probably won't come back up again then, because it'll be for sale. So hopefully it'll go fast. It's ready to move in. So thank you all for coming along and watching this journey. This is Jim, and Pearl's off at a conference for Moms in Prayer. It's a really good thing. Moms in Prayer, by the way, they get together at the different and pray for the kids in different schools. They just pray for all the kids in general, and it's a really nice organization she's involved in. So if you get a chance, go over to Moms in Prayer and check it out. Pearl would really like that. So says Jim all by his little lonesome, saying bye. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.